How to buy from AliExpress. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy products safely and easily from AliExpress. So let's get started. First, open up the AliExpress app on your device or go to the aliexpress.com and log in or sign up. Once you are inside the home page, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it. Now use the search bar to find what you like wireless earbuds or summer dress. Now tap on the item or the dress that you like. Then scroll down to check the ratings, reviews and real photos from the buyers. Now choose your size, color or quantity. Now from here you can then tap on buy now or add to cart. Add your shipping address and payment method. You can use a card or even PayPal on supported sellers. Now tap on place orders and done. You'll get updated by email or in the app. A bonus tip, use coupons and check for the seller discount before buying. And that's it. That's how you can shop smart on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Happy shopping and I'll see you in the next video.